afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope that you are happy, healthy, and safe. Today I decided I'm going to work on Pattern Clash, and I'm going to make a patchwork tag for my No-Sew November journal, and I have some different patches of fabrics that I think clash, and I'm gonna try to glue them onto here and then sew them together like a little patchwork quilt. So we got to get the top here, and for the top I was thinking, I don't know, we need something bigger across the top that I can see. This was supposed to be fireworks for 4th of July. And I'll just kind of put that like that. Or maybe I should do it this way. Yeah, we'll do it this way. And then I can put this little one up here, but I think I'll put it this way. So that can go like that. And down here, why don't I put, I don't want, well, what about this one? Put this one here. Yeah, that's good. And maybe this one here. Yeah, I think so. And then I'll have to trim everything. We've got this one, but I think I'm going to cut this one in half because I've also got this one, which I'm going to cut a tiny bit smaller to fit right here. And then we just have the bottom. Yeah. What am I going to do about the bottom? Put a strip of something else across the bottom, I guess. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Why not? So that's going to go there. This is going to go here. And I'll just put something across the bottom here. Let me go figure what that's going to be. Alright, so I did find this piece that I feel like is kind of clashing with the others. They're all kind of in the same color, I don't know, color story if you want to call it that. I don't know what else to call it. But their patterns are definitely, in my opinion, clashing. So, that's it. Now we just need to trim. And sew. And I should have glued it on this side because there's something on that side. But yeah, let's sew it around, and then we can put a little eyelet in there, and I think we'll be good to go for pattern clashing. I don't think it looks too bad, even though it's, you know, it's supposed to be clashing. It's not supposed to look great, I guess. I'm not sure. I just moved my little sewing cabinet out of the way, and there's all kinds of junk underneath it, which I now have to clean up. But let me get to the sewing machine now. Alright, so here is what my tag looks like. My stitches are a little loopy here, and I'm wondering if that's because I still had my stretchy fabric needle in there, but the back side is kind of loopy too. I don't know, but I'm not an expert sewer by any means, so could be any number of things. I need to poke out what's in here. We're going to put in the eyelet now. So I want to poke it in the same hole that it was in. And we're going to just go ahead and add a little red eyelet. And clamp it down. Alright, should be good. Yeah. Alright, that's going to go in one of the pockets of this journal. The At Meg Journals challenge of No Sew Journal November. And now I just have to figure out which pocket to put it in. So I think, let's see how it will fit in there. Oh, it fits perfectly, and you can still see it a little bit. Let's see how it folds up. So, there's the back. Oh, it folds just fine. So there we have that. Now we can cross off what was it? Did I already cross it off? Maybe I did. I can't remember what it was now. Mini collage? No, pattern clash. Pattern clash. I don't see it on here. Here it is. Alright, I guess that could be considered a mini collage too, but I think I'll save that for a different tag. So what we got left is the mini collage, vintage vibes, stitched border, and finishing touches, and then I'm going to be done because I did not plan on doing every single prompt for this journal. But I do want to make a couple more tags to put in the pockets. And I was thinking about sewing around the cover for stitched border with some embroidery floss, so I might do that. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos, and I would appreciate it so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.